Hello again. Today I have another car that came in. Car came in into the shop for two reasons. Problem number one, that the customer has a blinking transmission temperature or fluid temperature light, and also wants an oil change and other services. A shop does not focuses on a flashing light, creates a large bill on services, and gives a client this result. Result literally says no code of any kind, with a little handheld scan tool. After going through it and scanning for a code, the code does reveal that it is a P0971 solenoid C circuit high. So it's very important, circuit high fault. For those of you who know circuit high, circuit low, it is realistically a problem with a circuit, not functionality of the solenoid. Okay, so what ended up happening was car was taken out of the shop, and I ended up working on it. And my first focus was this particular transmission light. So after plugging, so there are two possible transmission for Subaru Legacy. One of them would be 2017 Legacy. One of them would be TR580. The other one would be TR690. 580 is a smaller transmission. 690 is a larger transmission. Because this is an H6 motor, 6-cylinder motor, it has a bigger transmission. So the TR690. So let's take a look. Control solenoid C. There are two different engines. One of them is the 4-cylinder one, the other one is a 6-cylinder one. The first test protocol is the 4-cylinder one, but the test is for most part the same. The only difference is the amount of connectors. Inside this transmission, the valve body sits on the top, and the computer for most part is right next to it. As we go down the list, you will find out that there is a midpoint connection and connector inside a transmission. What is this solenoid responsible for? This solenoid is responsible for all-wheel drive. In this whole process, they're going to ask you to measure resistance values on a solenoid itself. And they will actually ask you to measure resistance values on the wires. So let's go through the procedure real quick. All right, so here we go. First procedure, they're asking you to turn off ignition, disconnect connectors, and measure between terminal 48 to terminal 4, B54 and B22. From there to there. So from computer to the first connector outside of transmission. I had less than 1 ohms. Go to step 2. Great. Step 2. Measure pin 48 directly to chassis for voltage. You should have 0. We got 0. Yes, let's go to step 3. Now, terminal 4 to the transmission body. So now we're measuring the solenoid itself. The solenoid should be roughly 4 ohms. 2 to 4.5 ohms. All right. If yes, go ahead and test other things. If no, go to step 4. Okay. So in my case, I did replace a whole bunch of these solenoids. Just FYI, the one that is responsible for this particular one does have an orange wire inside of transmission and as well as outside of transmission. All right. This is the pigtail harness that lives inside a transmission. I got lucky. I got a valve body from a TR 580, which is a smaller transmission, but the solenoids are the same. What you will find out here, if you go to, if your resistance is outside of that range, which is no, it's not there, then go to step 5. Step 5 over here, disconnect the control, turn on, measures for some voltage, and eventually replace the valve body. So the valve body, Subaru does not recommend replacing solenoids. Okay, so what do we get here? I have 4 wonderful solenoids. 1, 2, 3, 4. I replaced all 4 of them out of that particular car. Very hard to take apart. You'll need a pick, and you will need to spend some time on it after you get them out of the car. So let's see what resistance they are. There are 2 solenoids, 2 different types of solenoids inside a transmission. Half of them are, or most of them are 12 ohms. The other one that's supposed to be there is a 4 ohm one. So let's turn on resistance and connect our wires to it. So first one, the brown one is not a 4 ohm one. I'm not sure exactly what the difference in the brown one is. They look like the same height. They look like, for most part, the same solenoid, almost the same diameter, but it is different color for some reason. All right, so let's measure this first one. And the first one falls into 12 ohms. So this one is a pass. Next one. So there's 3 12 ohm one and 1 4 ohm one. All right, next one. 12.3, great, that's a pass. And here we go, this is, all right, this is 88 ohms. Something's definitely not right with that one. If we're supposed to have 3 12 ohm one and 1 4. And this one is 12, all right. So all of them were 12 except this one. So this particular one, just to show you again, it did test out the same way. It tested out in a wide assortment of ranges. Originally, I got over 200 ohms. Now, once it's out, I can move the solenoid around a little bit, and it can almost go into OL. So there is some problems with either a connection on wires that's right down here, or something else. But I got lucky, replaced all of them, and the light is gone. If you are wondering how much fluid you're going to need on this particular transmission after you get all the solenoids out, you will need roughly 10 quarts of oil. And I totally understand that this transmission, the dry fill is 12 and a half or 13 quarts. So you're going to need most of the fluid. It's going to, a lot of it is going to drain out. You might reuse the old fluid if you don't want to purchase a new one. But as far as solenoids, one of them did test out bad. You also can, Dorman, one of the biggest manufacturers out there, does offer the 12 ohm solenoids online. They do not offer a 4 ohm solenoid online. You can, you're gonna have to either find them on eBay or Amazon somewhere, but they are not original. I got lucky with original valve body, just off a different transmission, but the solenoids are the same. Hopefully you like this video.